All right, so it's February 14th, Sunday, it's Valentine's Day. And the historic winter storm is coming. It's already been ice on the ground. It's slippery to walk out here. A little light snow. Central Texas. Unbelievable. Gonna be what, 10, maybe 7 degrees. Outside faucets already frozen solid, even though I wrapped them. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. All right, so it's around 5:30, 6 o'clock. The winter storm is coming. The sleet and the snow is starting to hit. I'm out here putting our animals to bed. Hope they can survive. Got heat lamps on most of them. Let's see what the morning brings. We wake up. Thick snow again. Well, looks like all the animals survived. Whew. Freezing cold. My face is starting to burn. The sun is out. Still lots of snow. It's about 14 degrees. I don't think we felt this kind of cold here before. All the animals have lived. 2 baby goats were born last night during the freezing cold snow. And we came out and discovered they were looked like they were about to die. So we brought them inside and warmed them up, and then we had to go help them. It's the mama goat doesn't do very good at feeding babies. Her teats are all swelled up and too big, and babies can't find her very good. So that means lots of hard work. She just had to do it. And as cold as it's cold. The new babies. Well, we're having to boil some water. Pour it on the goat and the chicken's water. Oh my God, that's hard to do. I just had shoulder surgery. Kind of hard to do. Anyway, I have to go get Jasper out here and then go get some water. All right, well, I guess that's my little update on this historic winter storm coming through Texas in 2021. Anyway, it's gonna get even colder tonight. But I guess everybody try to stay warm.